includes attacks on Princeton, for instance, and the Woodrow Wilson School at Princeton, and even a call to rename Yale University in Connecticut, in New Haven. New Haven, by the way, home to just don't touch the pizza, okay? But no, there are calls to rename Yale because Yale was a slave owner. The piling on, the call to replace our national anthem because of Francis Scott Key, the author of our national, I mean, it's just gone too far. And everyone is just piling on every aspect of the aftermath of the George Floyd situation. I'm sorry. There is a sort of a perverted political correctness, and it's a bandwagon effect. It's let's just throw everything, make all kinds of demands about everything. And that's what's happening here. So the mayor of St. Louis, this Mayor Crusoe, the mob was angry because of the release of names and addresses of the residents that are trying to defund, and they're protesting, and they're signing petitions wanting to defund the St. Louis Police Department. Do these people realize, what kind of a crime and murder and robbery and rape mess you would have if you shut down police departments? It's beyond stupid. This call and this cry to defund the police and dismantle police departments, it's unfreaking believable is what it is. Now, they were on the way to the mayor's house, and that's when the McCloskeys were intimidated. And the McCloskeys are claiming, and I've got no reason to doubt them. Now, some reports said that the mob had broken into a gate on their property, and that's been misconstrued. The gate apparently was the community gate to the neighborhood that they had broken into. And once they were inside of that, then they could walk down the street, get on the sidewalk, and get near the home of the McCloskeys, and that's apparently what happened here. Now, I've got no reason to doubt. Now, this Mark McCloskey is a lawyer. He claims that we were threatened with our lives. He says that we were threatened by some of the marching mob, that their house was going to be torched and burned to the ground. He claims that his office building was threatened, that people were making threats against his legal practice. He claims that his dog's life was being threatened. Listen, do I doubt him? I don't, because we know some of these angry Antifa protesters and what they've done and what they've said in the past. Now, the gun safety issue, and they did make a number of mistakes, which I do want to address. And there's a lot more to deal with here coming up next.
This is the Schnitt Show.
Jay Farner here, CEO of Rocket Mortgage. Making the right financial decisions has never been more important. When you turn to Rocket Mortgage, we can help guide you to those right decisions now when they matter most. Mortgage rates are near historic lows, so now is a great time to call 8338-ROCKET. And if you need some extra money, a cash-out refinance could give you that financial boost you're looking for. Call today at 8338-ROCKET or go to Rocket Mortgage.